Hi Year 3, it's me again. I'm going to do some spellings today. So first little reminder is these 3 words. Can you remember what these are called? Have a little chat with someone at home. They are called homophones, which means they make the same sounds but they have different meanings. So you're going to need to get a pencil and paper to write down these 3 sentences I'm going to read to you. So pause it now if you need to go and get those things. Okay, so I hope you've got a pencil and paper. This is sentence number 1, and you've got to work out which version of there needs to go in this sentence. If you look over there, you will find it. If you look over there, you will find it. That's sentence number 1. So you might need to pause it to write the sentence. That is their garden. That is their garden. That's sentence number 2. So pause now if you need to. They're going for a walk. They're going for a walk. That's sentence number 3, so pause it if you need to. Okay, so hopefully you've written 3 different versions of there in that sentence. So sentence number 1 is if you look over there. Can you see the there with the arrow in? That's that version of there. That is their garden. Belongs to someone. So I've got a little person there to represent the I. And finally, they're going for a walk. That's called a contraction, short for they are. Can you see the little A there? That stands for the apostrophe, which replaces the A normally. So that's a little warm up today. So hopefully at home you've been learning your common exception words. So we sent home a list like this just before we finished. So you need to now choose 5 words that you are working on at home. And I'm going to give you some ideas of games you can play with these. So if you need to pause it now and test yourself on those words, do, and then come back. Okay, I've chosen some words for myself to work on. These are ones I find quite tricky, so I'm just going to take these down. Okay, and I'm going to show you some little tricks on how to learn some of your words. Okay, my first word is important. Now I've noticed the word important has got 3 syllables, important. So when I write it, I'm going to say that to myself. Port, ants. And I can divide that word up into the 3 syllables. And you'll notice in each syllable, there's always a vowel in each syllable. Remember a vowel? It's like the song Old MacDonald. Old MacDonald had a farm, A-E-I-O-U. So you can use that to help you identify the syllables. So that's my first word. Okay, my second word is the word wait. Not like you're waiting for something, like you're measuring something. Okay, so wait, I've noticed, and I wonder if you can spot it, it's got a word inside it. Can you spot the word inside it? It's got the number 8. So if you can spell wait and 8, you can see it inside it. Okay, my third word is appear. I'm going to do this in 2 colours. I've got a way of remembering it. Lots of you have got phones at home where you download the app, and sometimes then you put the phone to your ear. App to your ear. Appear, because lots of people forget there's a double P in appear. Okay, my final word, I've only chosen 4 for today, is February. That's a proper noun, begins with a capital letter. Okay, and the tricky part in February is this bit here. So in February, it's usually quite cold. You could say it's cold in February. So it's a way of remembering that tricky part. So you've identified your words. You might want to think about ways of remembering them. You can also do games with them. So sometimes, some of you, and I do this at home with my children, we write them out in different colours. Appear, I've just done it in multicolours. And important, I've written it out in the colours for the syllables to help you remember it. Okay, you might also play hangman. Here's my hangman. With hangman, if you start with your vowels first, you can then identify and spell the word. I wonder if you can have a go at that one at home. That's one of my words I've written up there. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters in. Okay, and finally, you might want to create a word search using some of your spellings. Now I've printed this off Twinkle, but you can easily draw this out yourself at home. Pop your words in there and then fill it in with all the other letters, and you can challenge someone at home with your spellings. So Also, I know lots of you like websites. So here's some websites if you'd like to have a go at these at home. Spellzone, Top Marks and Twinkle. The first two have got lots of games on, and Twinkle, if you've got a printer at home, you can print things off on, and they're all free. Okay, so keep practicing these comic section words at home, please. It'd be really useful if you could tick off them as you go through them. Maybe you work through them in alphabetical order. And then when you've worked on your, say, year 3 ones, maybe you could get the year 4 ones and start preparing for next year. Okay, take care, and we hope to see you soon.